Spartan Jameson Locke, UNSC. Captain Lasky sends his greetings, and thanks you for your cooperation.
Oni, out of the shadows. The spies announce themselves now, Agent Locke.
I'm a Spartan now, sir.
I know who you are. You were an agent when you volunteered to execute me.
I saved your life today.
Yet now you hunt another Spartan, the greatest of your clan.
Let him hunt. Find us. It's Cortana. She touched every networked device in the camp. She knows the Guardian is here.
Locke, that thing's our last shot.
You have the firepower to get us in there.
Sunayan is the Covenant's final stronghold on Sanghelios. We will move only when victory is assured.
Doctor, Osiris will deploy within the hour. Have your plan ready. Guns down, Osiris. We're guests here.
Locke, I have a briefing prepared. Given Cortana's show of power, I am reluctant to discuss it over open channels.
Understood, Doctor. We're on our way.
Over here, Osiris. I have located a means to activate the Guardian.
Osiris reporting in, Dr. Halsey.
This is a constructor, a Forunner tool I can use to interface with the Guardian. Constructors were ubiquitous in Forunner facilities. These hills are riddled with support stations for the Sanghelios Guardian. Palmer has the coordinates of one such station. Finding a constructor there should be simple.
Station report!
Those idling wraith cannons are interfering with my equipment.
Ready when you are, Osiris.
We're ready, Commander Palmer.
Okay, let's go. Osiris, Halsey's constructor is in a Forerunner facility north of here, but the Cubbies have a Kraken parked between you and it. Arbiter's people are set to hit the Kraken from the air while you handle ground support. Once you've reached the rally point, Arbiter will give the green light.
Understood, Commander.
Patching you into Arbiter's BattleNet now. Good luck out there, Spartans.
Even the greatest polar bear will still smell like the
Covenant ahead.
Commander Palmer, we're in position.
Copy that. Arbiter, you're up.
Affirmative. Warriors of the Dom. Swords of St. Helios. Commence attack. Visual on target. Engaging in fire. Stay above the ring.
Friendlies in the air, Osiris. Focus fire on ground forces.
Kraken's on the move!
All Banshee wings. Engage the Kraken.
Arbiter's people have the Kraken distracted. You're clear to advance on the constructor's coordinates.
Affirmative, Commander. Let's go.
Jackal's coming down the stairs.
Arbiter's taking that thing on in Banshees? That's brave.
Attack wing Sector. Focus fire on the deck. Attack wing Gargon flank. Target Covenant aircraft. Attack wing Locke. Target propulsion control.
Keep moving, Spartans. Covenant are bringing in reinforcements.
I might let you live!
Buddy, stop that turret!
Shield in the way. Take it down.
Shield's gotta have a weak spot.
All clear. Get that shield down. Shield's stronger than I thought. Focus fire.
Shield's losing power! Concentrate heavy fire!
Shield's down.
The Covenant abandon their ground forces. Thrust the attack. Spartan, the enemy is retreating into the temple ground. That location is between Osiris and their destination.
Copy, Arbiter. Spartans, keep the pressure on.
Affirmative, Commander.
Kraken's moving back. Keep it out of range for those organs. It's changing trajectory.
Kraken's back! Watch out!
There's another shield in the way!
Let's find a way past. Visual on go. Caged by the statue.
Hell yes! Put him to good use.
Grab a ride. Need assistance! Need help!
It's okay, Locke.
I'm up. Thanks.
Heads up! Incoming reinforcements!
Must have seen their buddies getting their asses kicked and decided to get some too.
Off taking damage from an elite.
Passageway, under the shield. I'm on the other side of the shield.
Nice work, Osiris. Move inside.
Shield's down. My armor's jammed up! Need help!
Up and at him, Locke.
Thanks, Marty.
Come on, Speedyard. I'll give you a free shot. There you go, Spartan. Opening fire. Tackle down.
There you go.
I'm heading into the temple. Regroup inside, Osiris. Dead end. Commander Palmer, you sure we're headed the right way?
Affirmative. That's the only way through. Maybe there's a hidden mechanism, a door lock.
Look around, Osiris. Found something. Up on the ledge. This has to be it. Something's happening.
It worked. Dr. Halsey's coordinates are just through that door.
Move, Osiris.
Soldiers!
Locke, heads up! The Kraken's still in play!
I see it, Commander.
Arbiter to all wings. The Kraken retreats. Press your attack.
That doesn't look like a retreat.
Let's help Arbiter finish this.
Phaetons, let's go.
Get airborne. We're taking the fight to them.
Affirmative. Saddle up.
Arbiter, we are airborne and Forerunner Phaetons.
Excellent. Bring fire upon the Covenant Spartans.
Spartans, I appreciate the bravery, but what's the plan?
Kraken's 2L armor to knock down. Best bet's get inside, destroy the generator.
Make it happen, folks.
I'm on board the Kraken.
Generator will be in the bottom. Find a path, follow it down. Generator's on the lowest level. Move down. Keep going down. Generator should be just below the hangar. Kraken can be confusing. Keep going down for the pulse generator.
I found the generator.
Hit her with a few rounds, then get the hell out of there.
Directed on the pulse generator. Generator offline.
Get the hell out of there. Kraken's going down. Fuck! Evac now!
I'm clear of the Kraken. Generator offline.
Get the hell out of there! Kraken's going down!
grab that constructor. Halsey's coordinates are inside that Forunner site.
All right, where's this constructor we're after?
Search the area. Something woke up. It's a map of this region. See, that's the Guardian there. Not sure what it's connected to.
Yeah, real pretty light show. Where's the constructor?
Constructors repair things, right? Break stuff.
Hi, ready to work?
I think they're mad we're stealing their constructor.
Clear the area. All clear. Commander Palmer, we have the constructor. Ready for extraction.
Nice work, Spartans. Arbiter, ready for pickup.
I am sending a ship your way, Spartan.